English practice with lingo cards. 10 travel words with examples. Travel backpack.
My travel backpack has a lot of pockets to keep everything organized.
Luggage.
I need to pick up my luggage at luggage claim.
Ship.
The big ship sailed across the ocean to deliver passengers to another country.
Bus.
The travel bus was big and comfortable, with lots of seats and space.
Airplane.
We flew on an airplane to visit our grandparents in another town.
Airport.
I love watching airplanes take off and land at the airport.
Waiting room.
I'm going to wait for my flight in the airport waiting room.
Boarding pass.
I printed my boarding pass before arriving at the airport.
Gate.
I need to go to gate A1 for my flight to Los Angeles.
Custom.
I have to go through customs and immigration before leaving the airport.